My interview HR honest review. Watch before using. Most people get online interview platforms wrong. They assume they just record answers. But the surprising truth about my interview is that it's a complete HR solution that streamlines recruiting, and you won't believe how much time it can save hiring teams. Here's how it works. My interview allows employers to set up video interviews that candidates can complete anytime. The platform automatically captures responses, stores candidate profiles, and even provides AI-assisted scoring for skills and communication. Recruiters can review candidates at their own pace without scheduling conflicts for multiple back-and-forth emails. For example, a hiring manager looking to fill 10 positions at once can have all candidates complete pre-recorded interviews within a week. The system organizes responses, highlights top performers, and even allows team members to comment on each candidate. Most people get this wrong. They think online interviews are impersonal, but my interview actually provides structured insights that improve hiring quality. Additional features include branded interview links, integration with popular HR software, and real-time analytics on candidate engagement. Users praise its simplicity, time-saving potential, and clear candidate reports. However, there are considerations. Some candidates may feel less personal interaction, and AI scoring is a helpful guide, but shouldn't replace human judgment. Most people assume this is a replacement for live interviews. It's a complement to streamline initial screening. In conclusion, my interview is ideal for HR teams seeking a more efficient, organized, and data-driven approach to candidate screening while maintaining a professional, branded experience. Subscribe for more honest reviews of HR and recruitment tools.